Tell us a little about yourself.
My name is James. I like sports, especially pro wrestling, and other stuff I enjoy are video games and computers.
Tell us a little about yourself. Hi, I'm John. I enjoy making people laugh, spending time with my friends, and playing video games. Oh, crap.
Come on, there's a car coming.
Car coming.
Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Look at it.
She's turning it on. Oh, there's the car's coming.
So there you have it, YouTube.
Yeah.
You don't want to do it again?
No.
You want to look at the video first and see if you want to do it again?
Oh, crap.
So
Drop the camera.
So there you have it, YouTube. See ya. There you have it.